Hey, this is Rubber Cheese. I'm just going to do a quick little walk around to supplement my review. I'm using some terms in the review which maybe aren't the right terms, so I just want to show you what I'm talking about. So first of all, I'm calling this here the handle. The handle can be removed, and to me this is what the handle is. And this is a suction control, so basically it just vents so that you don't get quite as much suction at the end. Now if we attach this back, we can also pop this off down here, and I'm calling this the handle with the extension. It gives you a lot of reach, and we can easily pop this back into place here. Oops. All right. So to pop open the or to remove the dustbin, you just pull right on here. And I'm calling this section the upright, so just pull on here. And for cleaning, you can press here to open up the filter, or sort of access this. And to dump all the dust out, go on the other end, flip this open, and you can dump out all the dirt. And if anything's sticking, it's really easy to get in there and pull it out. So when the unit's running, it's venting out here, but because usually you've got it running at an angle, it's actually blowing upwards. So I found that even when you're doing very dusty surfaces, it doesn't seem to actually blow the dust out of the way. Obviously the accessory holders are right here. This is the crevice tool with this attachment brush, and you've got a dedicated brush on this side. This here is the power. It's two stages. One is for hard surfaces and the other is for carpet. And then finally I'm calling this at the bottom the base. And for cleaning, you can put it on on its side. Just spin these three dials and this here section will pop off, and that gives you access to the roller, to the belt that drives the roller, and access to this here section, which on other vacuums I've had this section get clogged. So it's nice to be able to pull it out. So the one other thing that I just want to show is how this thing turns. So when you turn it from